What is up, guys? This is RoblesJr. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it is much appreciated. In this video, I'll do the Razer Blackwidow Chroma unboxing. I'm very excited to get this set up and start playing with it. So this is the one I picked up on Thanksgiving. It has the all-new Razer mechanical switches, greater durability, Chroma customizable backlighting. It's very nice, very nice. It has the really clicky keys. Super nice. And it has, let's see here, ultra polling. I'm not sure what that is. The on-the-fly macro recording. Don't know what that is. Backlight illumination, of course. Macro keys, anti-ghosting, microphone jack, earphone jack, and the USB pass-through port. Super nice. So let's check the back here. So it has fully programmable keys plus 5 additional gaming keys, Chroma backlighting, easy access media keys, mechanical key architecture, 10 key rollover, and audio out and microphone in jacks. Well, that's what I just read. Yep, so that is that. Now we can go ahead and begin the unboxing process. I am very excited to start using this. Let's see if we can. There's a seal, the first one. I think we can just get this side and we'll be good. Yep. Let's do that. And on the other side here. Thanks. So that's that. Let's take this off. And the inserts. There's nothing in here. I think these are just all inserts. It's a really nice feel. Oops, sorry about that. It's a really nice feel. It's like a matte black. It's not that shiny look. It's a more really nice, kind of like rubber style. I don't know, but it feels really nice. Now we got the cord looks really good. Let's see, get this out of there. Thank you. What? Okay, so it's 3. A lot of plastic. Okay, so we got the microphone and audio. That's interesting. Okay. I broke the audio jack on my Mac. And I need a keyboard with an audio jack port, so maybe this might not work for me because I cannot plug this in because the pin broke off on my headphones, and so it's like stuck on the Mac. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to open that or whatever. We'll see. So yeah, that is that. And then we have the regular Razer manuals, and you got your 2 free stickers. I guess this is just your warranties and your basic manual on how to operate the keyboard. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so I finally got the Razer keyboard hooked up and it looks really awesome. And so, can you show the screen here really quick? My wife is helping me record. in Razer, in the Razer application, the Razer Synapse, I think that's how you call it, you can do different lightings here. So what we're doing right now is the wave. Can you go back to the keyboard to show the audience? So you can do different effects on here. I can dim the brightness, I can turn it off, and I can brighten it more, and I can change the direction of the wave. So we can go that way, or I can go the other way. So that was my first favorite effect. The actual first one that came on was the breathing. Actually, no, this is the first effect that you can have, and you can choose any color you want. I want to change it to red here, and it should turn to red or not. Let's see there. Oh, there it is. Now it should turn into red. So the breathing, you can have two colors on there, so it can change colors. When it breathes, it can go into red or blue if you choose red and blue. Next effect is the reactive. I really like this effect here. So you can have different durations. I'm going to change the color from green to red right now, so you guys can see that really cool effect. And when I press that, it kind of like leaves behind what you pressed. It's a very awesome effect, and the duration can be short, like that, or it can stay medium where the lights stay for a little longer, or you can do long where they stay there for not a very long time, but you know, it's a good amount of time there. Next one is the ripple. This one is very, very cool. I plan to use this when I play League of Legends. So when I press a key, it should be like water. So it is very responsive to the keys that I press. This is very, very awesome. And you can change the color on that to green, purple. I mean, they have 16.8 million colors to choose from. I want to change it to blue because we haven't seen blue yet. Very, very awesome. Next one is the spectrum cycling. This was the first effect that I saw when I plugged it in. What it does, it just goes through different colors. As you can see, it changes from yellow to green to red or whatever. I think that's nice, but it's just too simple for me. And static, I'm not sure what static. I didn't see what static is actually. Let's see if we could change the color on that. Not sure what static does. It's not really doing anything here. Let's go on to the next one, which is the wave. I think this is the one that I'll keep it on. It looks really awesome, and it looks very, very nice, and illuminates beautifully. So there is the unboxing of the Black Widow Chroma. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it is much appreciated. Have a great weekend, guys. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.